Hello guys, I'm Rasmus and you're watching Slikhaar TV. Today we have Emil in the chair, Nicoline is cutting his hair and we're gonna do some nice fresh hairstyling for spring. It's gonna be a comb over with some quiff and it's gonna look amazing. And remember, we have a secret giveaway in the end of the video, so hang on and stay tuned and enjoy this episode. What a great hairstyle, Emil. I really enjoyed the quiff and the side part going on. But now to the competition. We have the lucky winner from the last week right here. Congratulations! You can actually win a nice By Vilain bag for your toiletries and 2 By Vilain hair products. The only thing you need to do, write in the comment section down below, hit the like button and be a subscriber. When we hit 2,000 likes on the video, we'll pick out the comment with the best explanation on when do you have the best hairstyle of the year. It could be summer, winter, autumn, spring. You just need to write down below and we'll pick out the lucky winner in the next episode. Stay tuned, see you guys next time.